these are the cheesy ones I just took off. I'm sorry. If you got one, man, you gotta upgrade. Some really nice beefy sway bar links here. Not until I just got this bad boy. Look at the difference. Is that gonna be like extreme heavy duty or what? Now, before I show you them installed, you gotta know that this is my third set. I've been trying them. First time changed it over, didn't like it. Second time changed it over, didn't like it. Now, man, these look so badass. It was such a pleasure to install these. And I gotta tell you the truth, it only took me approximately 1 hour to do it. There's some tricks I'll share with you real quick. But the hardest part for me was just to put the bushing inside the actual sway bar arm. So here, let me show it to you. That's what they look like. Man, look how meaty those are. Nice, right? So I still got the truck up on jacks. So the trick to help it, the installation a little quicker, is you're gonna have to put both. Jack up your front end. Some guys don't even do that. They just take it off and they put it on, and it's a little harder. So jack up the both ends, and you can only put one jack stand here. You have to keep that jack on there, and it's really easy. Remember, just don't squeeze, don't over tighten them. Those are lock nuts. This is a BD diesel upgrade on the sway bar. They just look super heavy duty. So thank you, BD Diesel, and they didn't give me nothing, just so you know. I had to pay for them. And if you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. All right, brothers, sisters, you know the deal. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. It's free, and it helps to support me. And support the channel. All right, guys. Be good. Take care.